Hello Spartans and welcome to another fucked up Friday. For today we've got 3 air horn cans versus napalm. So for now, let's get on fire.
Spartans went to war.
Let's put the napalm. I've got some fresh napalm today. Oh, that's nice. Let's add some extra gasoline. Let's blow up.
Are you going to blow or something? Come on. Blow up. Blow your seat.
Whoa! Whoa! Nice! Awesome! Thumbs up! Oh, you shit! Whoa! Whoa! Nice! Okay, let's put these two together now. Let's hope that they will fly. Oh, I add a huge load of napalm, some extra gasoline, and yes, let's blow this shit up. Burns nice. Nice. Come on, blow up. Woohoo! That's what I'm talking about. Blow. Whoa! That's what I'm talking about. Whoa! Whoa! Come on, blow up. That's what I'm talking about. No. Oh. Thumbs up. That's awesome. Let's get the fire extinguisher. So that was the video for today, guys. We've got the first can flying around and the second and third one blowing up. That was awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to thumbs up, it helps me a lot. Don't forget to do your requests, comment down below. Follow me in Facebook and Instagram. Help me in Patreon. I've made a new Patreon page, so go check it out. Until next time. До свидания.